So this euro dollar analysis for Tuesday, the 12th of June. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come down towards the 17.28 for a pretty much perfect test. Had a bit of consolidation around 17.71. We had this push up here towards that 18.30. Didn't quite get towards that 18.30. Instead, we did turn around in around that 18.20, so 10 pips away. Had a brief pullback, formed a bit of a double top, a lower high actually. So we have a high around 18.20, a lower high in around 18.16 or so, from which we have seen the sell side momentum take us through the 17.71 at present. We did see a bit of buy side momentum come into the low 40s, low 17.40s for a retest of that 17.71 from below. Do appear to be rejecting slightly at the moment, so if we continue to reject the 17.71 from above, continuing counter resistance around the 17.71, we're looking for price head down towards a 17.10 to a successful break, from which we're then looking for price head down towards a 17.10, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside to take us beyond the 17.10, we're looking to see how prices react around that 16.60 area here on the euro dollar. Previously an area we found supporting around that 16.60 before seeing these moves to the upside. So we'll see how we react towards if we do break down beyond the 17.10 for a possible move down towards our 16.60 area here on the euro dollar. If, however, we can break and hold above the 17.71, the levels that we are looking at, if we can break and hold above the 17.71, levels that we are looking at to the upside is a move up towards our 18.30. If we can break the 18.30, previously we found resistance. If we can break and hold the level at 18.30, we're looking for a move towards 18.62. Don't anticipate 19.10 coming into focus, but if there is sufficient volatility, it may just come into focus. Here we have a look here at the daily chart, and over on the daily chart, we can see here we've kind of bucked the downtrend with a move to the upside, and we've gone into a bit of a consolidation from a daily chart perspective in around 17.71. So if we can see the break to the upside, possibly looking for a bull flag to play out and see a move up towards that 120 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.